Cryptcom, this way you can install your license easily and quickly. If you are just going to buy the license, the first thing you must do is go to Encriptados.io, go to Cryptcom and select the license you want to buy, then you must follow the step-by-step to obtain your license. Once you have made the purchase, Encriptados will send an installation manual along with a QR code. This code is unique for each license. Once you have the code, you will proceed to verify if your cell phone has any pending updates. If it does, you must do them, then reset your phone to factory settings. Normally, we can do this by going to Settings, General and restoring to default settings, Factory Data Reset. When the welcome screen appears with the option to select the language, we are going to make 9 taps in a place on the screen in a row until the camera is activated, and we will proceed to scan the QR code. As you can see, the camera has already been activated and you are going to scan the code that Encriptados sent you. Once the device loads, connect to a Wi-Fi network, preferably a private and personal network, never a public one, and press Next to complete the installation, then press Install so that the MDM begins its installation process. At this point a VPN will also be automatically installed to protect the device's connections. After, press Next, disable all of these features and press Continue. Here, we only need to accept the first 2 policies to allow us to continue. When it asks us for access to notifications, we are going to choose Cryptcom MDM and allow. Now, once we accept these steps, we can press the Back button and the entire installation process will begin. Once finished, we are going to install the Cryptcom app. To activate it, we are going to enter the phone's dialer and press Allow. Then we are going to enter the personalized code that Encriptados gave you at the time of purchase and press the Call button. Here the activation of the app will begin. Then it will ask us to create a PIN, which is what you will always use to enter the app through the keyboard. Next, we create a security password for the app using symbols, numbers, and letters. Also, we will create a username for the account. Once we press Allow, the system will be ready and working. We can now start using Cryptcom, add contacts via ID or QR code and enjoy secure communications.